Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide to Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram. I want to provide an in-depth look at how to successfully leverage Instagram to promote Amazon affiliate links and earn commissions on the products that you love. With over 1 billion monthly active users who are highly engaged with visual content, Instagram offers massive potential to showcase and recommend relevant products as an affiliate. The first step is getting approved for the Amazon Associates program so that you can access your affiliate links. So head over to the Amazon Associates site and then click Join Now for free or the sign up button to create your account. You'll then be prompted to provide some basic personal information and agree to the program terms. Make sure to specify Instagram as one of your primary marketing channels. This ensures that you get approved as fast as possible. Amazon will then review your application, which usually takes 1 to 2 days maximum. And then once approved, you get access to your Associates dashboard where you can generate tracked affiliate links for millions of Amazon products. And that will be all on setting up your Amazon Associates program account. And now you will have to go and optimize your Instagram presence and strategy. The next step you have to do is to take the time to optimize your Instagram profile to support affiliate marketing. In your bio, disclose that you're an Amazon Associate and link to your Associates disclosure page for transparency. Absolutely do market research to understand your ideal audience and then tailor your profile, content, and recommendations to closely align with their interests and preferences. For example, focus on gaming products for gamers or the fitness products for gym enthusiasts. Cater directly to their needs. Make sure to use but not spam too much relevant hashtags like the gamer gear, fitness motivation, and mention related accounts to extend your reach with target followers. Set up a professional looking display profile pic and header image reflecting your niche. Instagram is all about eye-catching visuals, so you need to create content that engages users and provides value. Stunning photos and videos are key, so showcase products in a lifestyle context or actual use cases. You can always do unboxings kind of content and reviews, show all angles and key features in action. Fun demo videos perform extremely well. And of course, leverage Reels trends to make entertaining yet helpful product reviews, inform and inspire. Product comparisons and ranking roundup posts are popular, so share your personal recommendations. Canva makes it easy to design beautiful Instagram posts with no design skills needed. Another important thing is that great visuals are only half the battle. You need captions that add value and get readers excited about your featured product. So highlight the product benefits, details, features, and specs, share how it improves the user's life. Don't forget to place your affiliate link URL in your bio, captions, comments, stories, and on your display image. Only recommend products that you genuinely believe will provide value for your followers based on their interests. Don't spam low quality junk just to be salesy. When you focus on serving your audience rather than just selling, you will build trust with them, and then affiliate links will feel much more natural to click and make purchases on. The last thing you will need to do is getting affiliate links in front of the right eyeballs, which is basically driving traffic to your links. Some of the promotional tactics that I can recommend to you is that you can offer an incentive for clicking your links, such as special discounts or bonus gifts to increase curiosity. You can always do the good old giveaways and contests for Amazon products as it increases engagement and exposure. Promote your Instagram content and handles on other social channels to expand your reach. You can always leverage Instagram ads if you have the budget. Retargeting works extremely well. And one final thing that you can do is that you can collaborate with influencers and brands. Partnering with relevant influencers and brands is an excellent way to expand your reach and share products that you love as an affiliate. So research influencers in your niche who create sponsored and affiliate content already, and reach out to influencers and propose collaborating on a custom product promotion combo. You can offer to share the commission, provide free samples of the product, or create a joint bonus. When done right, cross-promotion can benefit both audiences, so don't be pushy. So it does take some significant effort upfront, but instilling trust and authority with your audience pays off with massive affiliate income over the long term. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or even informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.